And as you guys can see in real time, they just deleted the entire Discord. It's gone. So that's it, guys. Right in real time as this video was being recorded, the Discord has been completely shut down. So I think that pretty much says everything. Um, it's just, it's sad. This is extremely sad because it was a lot of heat all at once. I do believe the CEO had the best of intentions, and it's not cool, man. This sucks. So all the big traders who got scammed and bamboozled, sorry. All the big affiliates, sorry. All the employees who lost on this, very, very sorry. So leaving it at that, and have a great rest of your day, guys. Thanks. Hello, everybody. Today we are going to do more of a podcast style video, and I'm sure you are aware of the drama going on in the prop firm space with fast track trading, Apex. There's so much going on, and I know everyone wants to call this industry a scam and everything like that. So I wanted to make an open video, an open letter, if you will, to affiliates, the prop firm space, and everything of the like. Now, mind you, I'm not an affiliate. I sell nothing. I have no desire to do that. So I don't have a dog in this fight. This is merely my opinion only. But this space and these companies have to do better. As of this morning, Fast Track Trading has closed down their Discord and deleted all channels for their Discord. Apex did the same thing, and this is a massive PR customer service issue. So, first, I want to have a letter, an open letter to the companies, followed by an open letter to the affiliates, because the companies lead the affiliates on. So, to these prop firm companies, please focus more on doing something with customer service up front. Discord is not the way to do this. I've worked for many large companies, and as an entrepreneur, everyone knows customer service goes first. Not only that, guys, shutting everything down with no announcement also doesn't help. The staff number up here is going down, the founding partners are going down. On top of that, you have the CEO deleting his Twitter account, which I should be able to pull up here. So the Twitter account does not exist. The website, your personal information has been wiped. This is the website still is up, so that's fine. However, when you go to click your account, none of your information loads. You have nothing, no data, payout requests, user profile, nothing comes up. Yeah, I believe you can still purchase accounts, but who knows if that's the case. Yeah, you can still purchase accounts. But the point is, we need to do better in this space before the prop firm space can even grow. And it's safe to say there is a massive amount of regulations that are even coming, and this is just going to be the catalyst and expedite that. They just lost another staff member. They're down to 15, and that could mean nothing. Now, mind you, I'm not here to come out against any company. Apex did the same thing. You have nothing here. You have your notices, your promotions. But again, people want to have discourse, hence why it's called Discord, and that's fine. But when you're in a customer relation crisis, you got to come out and say something and have something going on with your Discord server. To delete all the channels and shut everything down immediately sends the wrong message. And I'm not here to speculate that they as a company are shut down or anything else is going on, but chances are it is likely shutting down. And if I'm wrong, I will delete this video. But you have to do better than this. But this is bad for all prop firms. This is an impact on all prop firms as well. And by all means, this shouldn't even be the case. And it's so sad when you have people who are relying on massive amounts of payouts and everything else coming to their accounts. You have their hard-earned money and all their bank accounts and everything linked to these websites, their servers and whatnot. And this just isn't, it's not a good look. Here's a delayed look at the market, but I want to pull this up just so you guys can see it. But with with all of these scam companies that have went out, and I'm not saying FTT is a scam, but it is a company that I believed in their message. And I'm a victim too. I have about, I think, $3,000 total that I had spent on this. And it hurts. Thankfully, I have a job where I make enough money to where it doesn't matter, but I know some people are waiting on 30, 40, 50, $60,000 payouts. And I think FTT had all the right intentions. They just grew too big and too fast. And it's sad when you have runs on your chargebacks and everything else, and then you get shut down by your merchants. Chase Bank probably had some things to say. They lost licenses with some of their software companies. These things just aren't good. And it looks like, I want to see, Trades by Matt probably has somewhat of an announcement. All of these is allegedly shutting down. Yes, this is all alleged information. So mind you, this is my opinion only, Matt's opinion. But looking at these things, it's just not weird that the staff number went back up. It's just not a good look for the prop firm as a whole. And we can all agree on that. But again, before everyone rages in the comments, please keep this civil. Again, we're all in the same boat. So some people got paid out, some people didn't. They had their retroactive rule changes. That wasn't good. And it's just, it's not a good look. And that's only going to bring more regulation into the space and make it harder for other firms that may or may not be running better or are in a better financial position. However, I believe on the consumer side of things, we deserve better as traders. But on the company side of things, sometimes the customer is not always right. And when you're doing chargebacks and other things, it's only going to hurt the corporate side of things and just make it worse for you, the consumer. So, as an open letter, whether it's Apex, Fast Track, My Funded Futures, Top Step, Ape, doesn't matter. Guys, you have to do better on the public relations side of things as a whole. And I think you should actually have PR departments or just employees who are dedicated nonstop to making sure that everything is okay within the trading space for your firm. So this news is very sad. I feel for the people who traded months and months, had crazy payouts, 80K, 60K, 50K, 20K, doesn't matter, 500 bucks. Your hard-earned time went into this and now it's wiped out. And that sucks because the retroactive rule changes didn't help either, and that ruined a lot of Discord hope for people too. And on top of that, you had people who are holding out hope, and they have bills due. I have bills due. Everyone does, right? And this doesn't help that. And I'm sure that this is only beginning of all of these videos to come out. So just have some grace on the company side, have some grace on the customer side as well. Like this space is growing so fast and changing so quickly. It's insane. And that means you're going to have hard and fast rule changes. You're going to have hard and fast just changes as a whole within the community. And if you've never worked for a startup, things go fast, things change fast, and you hire fast, fire slow, hire fast, whatever the case is. Things change quickly, and it's not a good look, and it's sad because I feel for everybody that's involved, both on the employee side, the corporate side, as well as the traders, obviously. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Again, keep this open, keep this civil. This is my opinion. I'm not coming out against the company. I'm not saying what you should or should not do. I'm just opening up the dialogue with my own opinion and my own thoughts on this company that I've invested my own money into. The next message here is for the affiliates. And when you're out pumping your own link because you're getting paid on it, and I'm sure you're getting paid well, guys, you cannot. I mean, it's so tough because you don't know the financial condition of the company. This is what we saw with FTX. And you don't know what's going on. And I know you're pitching your link to your audience and you're getting paid big money, and that's fine. But at the end of the day, guys, you have to be conscious of who and what you're supporting. Now, I know you could say Tom Brady had no idea with FTX, and they didn't. But all it took was one person to unwind that whole scam. And believe it or not, it was Taylor Swift, because she asked about, I believe, the regulatory things around their products that they were offering, or if they were approved by the SEC, things like that. And then it all unraveled from there. So with your affiliate links, guys, just stop. I know you want to get paid, and I'm not one to say you should be against getting money, because trust me, I'm a capitalist through and through. But please be more selective of the companies you're pitching. If the firm's only been around a few months, what are you doing? It makes no sense to me. let alone a few years. You want to see the viability. And if you're making more money from affiliates, well, you're just a marketing weirdo and you're just scamming people out of, their own money because you think it's a good idea. I don't know. That's my opinion. But with all of this, please take it with a grain of salt. And the website's still up, but take it with a grain of salt, guys. And my comments are open. By all means, let me hear it. Let me know what you guys think. It's sad. I know some people made big money, some people lost big money, and you're upside down in the firm. I totally get that. So it's going to be tough, hopefully. And I'm praying that everything turns around for this company. Things go great. FTT comes back faster and stronger than ever. And again, if I am wrong about all this, I will delete this video. But until then, you know, the trading space has to do better. The affiliates in the trading space have to do better. And these companies, you're only going to be bringing in more regulation because with this much heat comes legal ramifications. Banks get involved, wire fraud gets involved, and on top of that, you're going to have the SEC or whoever else coming out with regulations for these companies, whether it's the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, doesn't matter. It's only going to keep going. So, with that being said, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. This is my open letter. I want to make this an open forum in the comments. So do what you got to do. Let me know what you guys think. Happy to keep everything rolling in the comments going forward. And again, if this video gets deleted, it's because I was wrong, and I'm happy to be wrong. Again, I want to close with this. I have no ill intent towards this company, towards any of the employees, towards some of the issues that were going on within the company. There's rumor that he had a exotic car rental business that he was funneling the money into. So we're watching this happen in real time. And again, I hope this is all wrong. I hope everything comes out on top and everyone's all good. But until then, I'll be monitoring the Discord and just seeing what's happening in there. But guys, sorry for everyone who lost their payouts. At this point, allegedly lost their payouts and allegedly isn't going to get paid out. And this is all alleged information. I don't have any sources. This is just my opinion. So I'm speaking from the hip here. But it's a sad day in the trading space. Hopefully things come out better, and hopefully I pray that this is a PR nightmare, and that is what it is. It's nothing further, nothing more serious than that. But